Daruni, did you already note a letter for Mother? Yes, Dami. I will write to Mother. She promised she will come for your operation. I'll send her a telegram as soon as I leave you because today is already Wednesday.
I'm so happy for poor Daddy. You will let me go to him, won't you?
But how about the baby?
But you are here!
I have the shop to look after.
But I have not seen Daddy once you put him in the rehabilitation center.
How about you stay with the baby and minding the shop? I will go to Bangkok instead.
I know you want to go. You long for the bright lights.
No! I won't have the operation until Mama will come here. Mother, Father did not come to the hospital.
Have you heard the news about the bus accident where there are many fatalities? Fatalities? Yes, they said on the radio that 50 people were dead and 23 have already been identified. Me? My wife? What if she was on the bus? What if she was one of the 23? My baby, my baby, my baby, my baby. What's the matter, Father? Nothing. No, nothing. Are you sure? Sure. Are you feeling a little fellow? It's quite good already, Father. Where's Mother? Isn't she coming? No. But why? Are you quite sure, Father? I'm checked, darling. We just checked. Thank God! Thank God! Mother is alive!